Are you ready to grow your wealth but don't know where to start? Investing can feel overwhelming, especially for beginners, but with the right strategies, you can start building a solid financial future today. In this video, we'll share the best investment strategies for beginners, explained step by step to help you make confident, informed decisions. Let's dive in. First, let's answer the big question. Why should you invest? Simply put, investing allows your money to grow over time. By putting your money into assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate, you can earn returns that help you achieve your financial goals, whether it's saving for retirement, buying a house, or building wealth. One of the key benefits of starting early is the power of compounding, earning returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the returns themselves. Even small investments today can grow significantly over time. Step 1. Set clear goals. Before you start investing, define your financial goals. Are you saving for the short term, like a vacation, or long term, like retirement? Your goals will guide the types of investments you choose. Step 2. Diversify your portfolio. One of the best strategies for beginners is diversification. Instead of putting all your money in one place, spread it across different assets like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. This reduces risk while increasing the potential for steady returns. Step 3. Understand your risk tolerance. Investing always involves some level of risk. As a beginner, it's crucial to understand how much risk you're comfortable with. Younger investors might choose more aggressive options like stocks, while others might prefer safer investments like bonds. Step 4. Start small and be consistent. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. Use dollar-cost averaging, investing a fixed amount regularly, regardless of market conditions. Over time, this strategy helps smooth out market fluctuations. Step 5. Keep learning. The investment world can be complex, so take time to educate yourself. Read up on investment basics, stay informed about market trends, and consider seeking advice from a financial professional. Investing doesn't have to be intimidating. By starting small, diversifying, and staying consistent, you're already ahead of the game. What are your investment goals? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications for more practical financial advice. Thanks for watching, and here's to your financial success.